Now, interior cleaning. Now look, I have had a lot of problems with people going in with weird cleaning products and creating a very, very massive problem with microsuede, with also the leather. Look, 6 gens, 427s, with a nice 3LT microsuede surface. I had a poor guy, he tried something, I don't know what it was, he had to replace that upper dash pad. It got that bad, because it literally dissolved the adhesive underneath and pulled it away from the plastic extrusion. So all he had was this going over his microsuede. So the key thing is to be very, very, very careful. If you have stains on your carpeting, on your leather, not microsuede, leather, okay? Or some vinyls. The key thing is, what type of stain is it? You need to know this. Protein-based stain or grease and petroleum-based stain. That makes a difference because there are 2 separate formulas depending on your stain type. You need to know what was spilled on your vehicle, because everybody thinks, oh, well, I get a good upholstery cleaner, it's going to work fine. Not necessarily. Anybody hear about the thing with pens? Aquanet hairspray breaks up ink. Ever hear that? Oh yeah, look, those of us who grew up in the 80s, we know this. He's jacking in the corner, he's like, yeah, that's it. But the truth of the matter is, simple things like that doesn't work on everything. So make sure that you know what the stain is. And if you're not certain, well, maybe you may need to try both. And microsuede cleaning. I have a problem with microsuede cleaning because GM was kind of a little bit vague on this. Now the reason why I say vague is they say take a soft, damp cotton towel, blot the area, and then dry it out. Okay. Well, how? The key thing is, remember not to get your microsuede too overly damp. Don't do it. Okay? Because then the minerals that are in the water can create water spots. That's an important part to this. So if you have any type of damp surface or damaged surface, you got stains or whatever on the microsuede. Look, a lot of us have microsuede seat inserts. What about the microsuede on the steering wheel? Dude, I'm sorry, but I got oil on my fingers, and it's going to transfer to that microsuede. Now, what I've been doing with the microsuede for my customers, especially on the older 6 gens, is what I will do is I will go into it with a microfiber towel. Now, a coarse one, not a pillowy one, because we all know that there are different types of microsuede, right? You've got the coarse ones, and then you got the stuff that feels like a soft sheet kind of thing. It's almost like a satin. It's really weird. I don't know how you would, maybe a terry cloth, I guess you could classify it as that. Don't use the terry cloth on the microsuede because it's not going to lift anything. It'll drag over the top of it. Using something like a coarser microfiber will actually help, what were we talking about earlier? The lifting action. Running it over the top of it and doing a little lifting motion. Now normally what I will do is I will go in and I'll defer to the cleaner, leather and vinyl cleaner. I only give a spray or 2 and then I wipe right over the surface. The reason why I do this is I don't want it overly damp. You don't want to get it too wet. And it'll lift, and you'll see it in the microfiber. It's a simple process that can end up extending the life of your microsuede. But key number 1 on the microsuede, do not condition microsuede after. General Motors has not responded to my inquiries about conditioning microsuede. They say not to. So as of this point in time, that's what I'm telling you. But leather, vinyl, and plastics, you must condition them to bring back the essential oils within them. Yes, there's oils in vinyl. There's oils in plastics. And you must understand that when you clean it, you take those oils away. So you must condition afterwards.